Hey guys, it's Casey with Transform Charleston. We're at a new reconstruction house here in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. We're about to give a transformation to this home that needs a little bit of love. Currently they have existing vinyl siding, all aluminum and wood fascia and frieze. They called us because they had some issues with the repair a while ago, had us come in and fix it, and then noticed some other signs of water damage, rot in that, so called us out to do all of the siding, windows, and flashing. I'm gonna be with you for this whole project. I'm gonna give you updates throughout the way, and we're gonna see how we can make this house beautiful again. Have you seen, we've already started tearing off some siding on the back. We got the side fully torn off. We're also resheathing this house. With all the rot and water intrusion and old sheathing, it was time for a new protective barrier. So right now you see the guys putting up the new sheathing. You could see right here some of the rot that we found. Honestly, some of the worst rot we've seen that pretty much fell out as soon as we took off the siding. So a bunch of structural work being done, adding new studs, everything like that. Here at Transform, we'd rather inform the customer of every possible minute thing that could cause an issue down the line. I'm gonna keep you guys updated throughout this project. You'll see a bunch of check-in videos of our progress and kind of the tips and tricks we use to make this house look gorgeous in the end.